Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. The sun is shining finally. It is springtime in Calgary. So I didn't have a chance to get out actually most of this past week, but now the weekend is here finally and the weather, the snow is melting. So I got out for a couple days. So these pictures we'll share. They obviously, if you've been watching along and following along, I'm using the 35mm f2 on my Fuji XT4. These were all taken with classic chrome, and I had a question on my last video about classic chrome. I'm kind of really liking this film simulation, and the question I had people asking, I had one person asking, was if I've done any adjustments to anything, and no, it is the straight out of camera as a JPEG. So these photos, much like all of the other photos I save, I really don't do any editing to the photo other than possibly straightening the horizon and possibly doing a little bit of a crop on some of the photos. So that hopefully answers your question. This one as well, all taken with classic chrome using the Fuji XT4. As always, I've numbered the photos, and let me know in the comments down below what one is your favorite. I always appreciate to kind of get some feedback from everybody that's watching. So hopefully you enjoy. Don't forget, let me know what one you like down below. Let me know the number. As always, I appreciate your constructive criticism. I appreciate it in all the photos. Let me know what one is your favorite. Let me know what one you might maybe change or take a picture a bit different time of day, different situation, that kind of stuff. I really love all the feedback we have on the channel. That being said, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and following along. We share Fuji tips and tricks on this channel. I share my photos. There's a great community of Fuji users. There's also some great Fuji recipes on the channel as well. So thanks for watching. Thanks for everybody. Have a great rest of, well, not rest of the week, rest of the weekend, and have a great week. We'll see you next week for another video, and take care, everybody.